Man, listen, I came to CreditL.I.F.E just for better credit. I mean, I eventually wanted to buy a house, but I didn't want to have a high interest rate because of my low credit scores. Man, not only did CreditL.I.F.E remove all the negative items, and there was a lot on my credit report, but they improved my credit score by over 150 points. Credit cards just started coming out of nowhere, and I'm talking about with limits like 12,000, 15,000, and 25,000. Now, of course, at first, I just thought I was rich and was going to spend those cards everywhere, but CreditL.I.F.E also educated me on how to be financially responsible. I don't know about you, but if you want a better life, call CreditL.I.F.E.